Across the vast, expansive grasslands of the Cashmere region, millions of Cashmere goats are raised, revered for their wool's unparalleled qualities. The wool, known as Cashmere, is celebrated for its exceptional softness, lightness, and remarkable ability to retain warmth. Cashmere has become a highly coveted global commodity, with annual consumption reaching a staggering 15 million tons, reflecting its widespread demand and value. But it's not just their luxurious wool that has made Cashmere goats famous. These goats also produce an abundant source of milk, which, when combined with their wool production, forms the foundation of an incredibly versatile and profitable farming system. With an impressive annual milk production reaching up to 20 million tons, Cashmere goats have earned their place as both a dairy and fiber powerhouse. Join me as we delve deeper into the fascinating lives of Cashmere goats and discover the various elements that contribute to their remarkable reputation. At present, two distinct types of Cashmere goats are being raised with great care and attention: dairy goats, known for their milk production, and fiber goats, which are cultivated primarily for their prized wool. When it comes to reproduction, these goats have a gestation period that spans from 145 to 155 days. A typical birth results in 1 to 4 kids, with twins being the most frequent outcome. This reproductive pattern allows for a steady increase in their population, ensuring a consistent supply of both milk and wool for farmers. Cashmere goats thrive on a natural diet that includes a combination of grass, hay, leaves, and straw. These plant-based foods provide the goats with essential nutrients, though to supplement their diet and meet higher nutritional demands, farmers often provide grains, bran, and protein-rich supplements like soybeans and sunflower seed meal. This balanced diet not only supports their milk and wool production but also ensures the goats stay healthy and strong, ready for the demands of their dual-purpose role. Now, let's take a closer look at the intricate process of harvesting the Cashmere wool from these fiber goats. The wool is carefully collected by hand, with farmers using special mental. Yet with its 400 horsepower engine, the truck moves effortlessly, pulling the heavy vintage vehicle as if it's a simple task. This moment is a perfect illustration of power meeting precision, as the truck's strength and capability are on full display. The scene shifts, and we're now witness to the transportation of a 160,000-pound Genesis coiled tubing rig, which is being hauled by 2 escort vehicles. The rig's weight stretches across 15 axles, and the escort vehicles guide it through tight spaces, rough terrain, and obstacles. The vehicle's coordination ensures the rig's journey is safe, smooth, and precise. The sheer power of the trucks, along with their delicate maneuvering, is what makes these heavy-duty operations possible. In another display of sheer strength, the Caterpillar MD6250 drill, with its 600 horsepower engine, begins its climb onto a platform. includes thorough cleaning, fat trimming, and portioning based on the intended cooking method. These careful preparations ensure that the meat is of the highest quality, ready to be displayed on supermarket shelves, where it attracts customers seeking both flavor and nutrition. Goat meat is not only delicious but is also incredibly nutritious, offering a lean protein source that is low in fat and high in essential nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. As a result, goat meat is gaining popularity in the culinary world and is becoming a strong competitor in the livestock industry, standing alongside more traditional meats like beef, chicken, and pork. Now, let's take a step into another fascinating realm of agriculture: the cultivation of red rue mushrooms, a prized medicinal herb. In order to cultivate these mushrooms effectively, wood trays are first placed into a steam sterilizer, where they are exposed to temperatures as high as 100 degrees Celsius for a specified period. As it moves across difficult terrain, it demonstrates that nothing is impossible for this colossal machine, which can conquer any challenge thrown its way. The Peterbilt 359 Classic, equipped with a 346B Cat engine delivering 425 horsepower, powers through dust and smoke, navigating even the harshest conditions. This truck proves its reliability as a workhorse capable of conquering any environment, whether it's smooth highways or treacherous terrain. Weighing over 700,000 pounds, a massive truck with a trailer and dolly, sporting 108 tires in contact with the ground, navigates corners and rough terrain with absolute precision. Tools designed to gently remove the fine undercoat of soft fibers from the long, coarse outer hair. This process, though it may look sharp, is conducted with extreme care and precision to avoid causing any discomfort or harm to the goats. The tool used in this process is surprisingly gentle and allows the farmers to efficiently collect the precious wool without causing any pain to the animals. After the wool is harvested, it is initially covered in dirt, oils, and various impurities from the environment. This means that before it can be processed, the wool must undergo an extensive washing procedure to cleanse it. The wool is thoroughly cleaned in large washing machines, ensuring that all contaminants are removed, leaving behind the soft and pristine fibers that cashmere wool is famous for. Once cleaned, the wool is dried and then blown directly into large storage bins, where it will be kept in a controlled environment until it is ready for further processing. engine, the harsh terrain causes it to struggle. The moment is tense, with everyone on edge, waiting for the rescue operation to unfold. The anticipation builds as engineers and operators work together to get the crane back in action, highlighting the importance of teamwork in overcoming even the most unforeseen obstacles. Heavy machinery faces yet another challenge when it breaks down on a bend in the mountain pass. With the weight of hundreds of tons at stake, the difficulty of transportation becomes incredibly high. Every operator must harness the full power of their equipment, and every decision becomes crucial. The team must work quickly, efficiently, and precisely to overcome this obstacle. On a lighter note, have you ever seen the transportation of goats? It's a unique and unforgettable experience. Specialized trucks, designed with spacious cargo areas and advanced safety features, carefully navigate rugged roads. The wool is now prepared to be spun into yarn, which will eventually become part of the luxurious fabrics that are so highly prized around the world. In addition to their wool, Cashmere goats also produce high-quality milk, which is another valuable commodity. The milking process begins when workers attach automatic milking units to the goat's udders. These units use soft, gentle suction tubes to extract the milk in a manner that is both efficient and comfortable for the goats. The milking process is streamlined and designed to ensure that the goats are not stressed, and that their milk is collected in a clean and sanitary environment. But it's not just the wool and milk that make Cashmere goats valuable to farmers. Their meat is also highly sought after. Goat meat is renowned for its rich, tender texture and distinctive flavor. Before it reaches consumers, the meat undergoes several stages of processing. This is relentless, and only one can emerge victorious, making it a truly intense display of machinery strength. The V8 355 machine charges up a slope, its massive power propelling it forward. With tons of timber on its back, the machine effortlessly conquers every obstacle in its path. Its impressive endurance and powerful engine are on full display as it moves through the terrain, showing that no challenge is too great for this machine. At a construction site, the SCX 900 HD crawler crane impressively loads itself onto a lowboy trailer. Its design allows it to move without external assistance, showcasing the crane's robustness and versatility. Whether it's lifting heavy loads or moving across rugged terrain, this crane is built to handle any heavy-duty task. The massive 1,000 horsepower generator being transported to an aircraft carrier is a true test of strength.